Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to Learn French with Megha. Today guys, we are going to learn three French verb groups. You must really get confused while learning French verbs because all the verbs have different pattern of conjugating. In this lesson, I am going to tell you the pattern of conjugating three French verb groups in present tense. In French, there are lots and lots of verbs to conjugate. To simplify things, French verbs are classified into three groups based on the ending of their infinitives. Infinitive means when the verb is not conjugated. For example, manger, chanter, finir, prendre, boire, etc. And the conjugation of these verbs are done according to their endings, like er verbs, ir verbs, re verbs. First group of the verb is er ending verbs. For example, manger, chanter, etc. Second group is ir ending verbs. For example, finir, choisir, etc. And the third group is divided into three categories: RE, IR, OIR, ending verbs. For example, prendre, ouvrir, boire, etc. First of all, we will learn the premier group, the verb, first group of the verb, which is ER ending verbs. More than 80% of French verbs are ER verbs. So, after knowing the pattern of conjugating these verbs in present tense, you can conjugate 80% of French verbs. For example, jouer, which means to play. To conjugate a regular ER verb, drop the ER of the infinitive and get the stem, which is called a radical in French, and we get the stem joue. And then add the present tense endings specific to ER verbs like this, and that's it. Endings of the ER verbs are with je, e, with tu, es, with il, e, with l, e, on, e, with nu, ons, with woo, ez, with il, ent, and with l, ent. Z, zoo, tu, zoo, il, zoo, l, zoo, on, zoo, nu, zoo, woo, zooe, il, zoo, l, zoo. Here you can notice that the pronunciation of all the verbs in je, tu, il, l, on, il and l plural remain same, zoo. Only it get changed with nu and woo. Nu, zoo, woo, zooe. One more thing important to keep in mind is that aller is an ER ending verb, but it is an irregular verb because it follows different pattern of conjugation. Now we move on to the next group of verbs, the deuxième group the verb, which is IR ending verbs. IR verb group is the second most common group verb. For example, finir, which means to finish. To form the present tense of a regular IR verb, drop the IR of the infinitive to get the stem, which is fini, and add the present tense ending specific to IR verbs. That is S, S, T, 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 double S, ONS, double S, EZ, double S, ENT, double S, ENT. Je fini, tu fini, il fini, elle fini, on fini, nous finissons, vous finissez, il finissent, elle finissent. But some IR verbs actually belong to the third group and follow another pattern. For example, sortir, ouvrir, mourir, etc. The troisième group, the verb, third group is of irregular verb. Here are all the verbs that don't belong to first or second group because they are actually irregular. Verbs ending with IR, OIR, RE, and the verb aller comes under irregular verbs and the third form of the group. First, I would like to give you an example of RE ending verb, which is attendre, which means to wait. J'attends, tu attends, il attend, elle attend, on attend, nous attendons, vous attendez. il attend, elle attend. But be careful because some DRE verbs like prompt, to take, or attendre, which means to switch off, don't follow this pattern. Now I will give you an example of IR ending verb, which is not a regular verb, ouvrir, which means to open. It has different endings from regular IR verbs. J'ouvre, tu ouvres, il ouvre, elle ouvre, on ouvre, nous ouvrons, vous ouvrez, il ouvre, elle ouvre. Some IR verbs like ouvrir, mourir, sortir, etc. don't follow the pattern of second group. However, they come under third group. Now take an example of OIR ending verb, voir, which means to see. And it has different endings from other irregular verbs. Je vois, tu vois, il voit, elle voit, on voit, nous voyons, vous voyez, il voit, elle voit. There is no general pattern of irregular verb, so you have to learn all these verbs one by one. Thanks a lot. If you find my video interesting and useful, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification icon to get the notification of my new videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.